This video explains how you can access Faculty of Engineering e-learning system as a new user. Who can access FEeLS? FEeLS access are given for the students, academic staff, technical staff on request by the head or dean, visiting academic staff, instructors, reviewers, admin staff, or other special requestees. You need either receive an email from the admin user with the username and password to access FEeLS, or the username and a temporary password given by the admin or any authoritative staff member to access the site. This video specifically gives the tutorial to access for the students, but it is common for any other new student when accessing the FEeLS at the first time. So that what you have to do, first you have to open a browser and you have to browse the FEeLS site. The FEeLS site you can browse directly using, type in the URL feels.pdn.ac.lk or visiting to the engineering faculty website, and there find the e-learning link, click on the e-learning link, then you can directly come to the faculty site. And this is the home page of the Faculty of Engineering e-learning site. Shortly we call it as FEeLS. Hereafter I use the word FEeLS to refer the site. And you can see some of the menus are also available even for the guests, those who didn't log into the site. And when you scroll down, even you didn't log into the site, you can see the site announcements, and there you can find the important notices about the site and your courses and some scheduled maintenance in advance that we'll announce it in the site announcements. So it's very important. You have to see the site announcement to get the information about the site. Then if you are a new user and assume that you've got your username and a temporary password, then what you have to do, you have to click on the login. Here the login, you can see the login, or you can just open there's a block drawer. It's by default it is not open. You can, by clicking this arrow, you can open the block drawer. There also you have the login lock. This in this area also you can type the username that you are given and the temporary password, right? And I will use the login screen to login, and here I type the username, and I have created test username and the temporary password. Then click login, and you will get a window, a prompt to change your password. Remember, that was a temporary password as I mentioned earlier. There you have to type the temporary password that you are given as the current password, and you can just click this one to see whether the password that you have written is correct. And the new password, you have to follow these rules when you are adding the new password. So that by following the rules, I am going to add a new password. So I can just see that what's the password that I have to type, that what I had in my mind, right? And I should type the same password again. Right. So then I should click Save Changes. If you have typed your password and things correctly, you will redirect to this page. And if you want, if you are not using public computer, you can save your password in your browser. Otherwise that you should not save it in your browser, right? So then you click continue. Now next thing, that there's a user agreement that you have to agree when you are going to access this site, and you have to click I agree to the policy for accessing learning analytical log data. And when you click on this button, you will be redirected to the home page, but different from the home page that you had before that you log in, right? So there you can see a lot of information here, and if you want to see the Department of Studies, centers and units, and what are the students link available, and if you are a faculty or staff, you are, what are the special pages that are available for you by clicking here. And most importantly, you can see the menu. These menu items are very, very important. And if you want to see all the undergraduate courses, by clicking undergraduate courses, you can see the undergraduate courses under the department wise. And if you want to see the notice boards, and you can see the notice boards by clicking this notice board link there. And remember, there's a block drawer, it's hidden, and you can open the block drawer. And the most importantly, the site that you have to given access, right? You can't just go and directly access the course pages available on the site. And mostly the undergraduate courses, the given access by the course registration system. You can't directly access those courses except the first semester. First semester we'll give it as a bulk access, and otherwise for the other semesters you have to complete the course registration if you want to get access from the FEeLS courses, right? And then the important link on this menu is one is the dashboard, and the other one is the my courses. When you click dashboard, you can see the current semester courses. And for this test student, I have added the semesters from this semester and as well as the previous semester. So in this block, you can see the semester, only the semester that you are given access, right? Under these semesters, you can see the course links that you have access. And here you can see the calendar. It's very important. There you can see the events that are important to you, which are added to your courses. And another one that you can get access to see your courses is the my courses. When you go and click my courses, you can see the courses that you are given access, but not as in, there's no order here. You can see all the courses, and the display as card. And but if you want, you can change the display as list. Then the courses are listed as a list. Here you can see what are the courses in progress, that means the currently having, or maybe the course is not yet started. It will be available under future option. Or here, if you want that, you can, by clicking this 3 dotted line, you can start a course that you think that it's important, that you are currently following. Or if you, let's say that there are some courses that you have already completed in the previous semester, you can remove it from this view, and so to have only the current courses, I mean to shorten your course listing in the course overview, right? And this is the dashboard that this is the my courses page that you can see your courses that are given access to you. And let's say that when you go to one of these courses, by clicking on this link, you can go and see your course. This is the appearance of a course page that you are given access as a student. And you can see the content of the course page in the left hand menu, and this menu can be hide or can get it back. And here the content of the course page, and you can complete. If you say that there are some activities that you have to set completion by yourself, or that it will set the completion when a condition met. As an example, if this is an activity, when you upload the assignment, it will set it as you have completed the this activity. And the other important thing, all the course page containing the announcement, that are the announcement that the lecturer or the course coordinator will use to communicate with you regarding on the course related work. And the other important thing, all the communication in the faculty also done by the FEeLS, and there you can see undergraduate notice board. When you click on the undergraduate notice board, there are important notice board that you have to see whether you are given access. The most importantly, Dean's notices, AR notices, exam notices, and student notices are from staff are given access to all the students in the faculty, but the department notice board's access will be given only to the department students, right? So that when you are selected one of the department, you will be getting access to that particular department notice board. And when you go to the home page, or when you go to the undergraduate courses, you can expand the courses available under these categories. And as an example, if I say that the general program first semester, and you don't have any course access here, and let's assume that we will be selecting the Department of Studies, Department of Computer Engineering, and undergraduate studies. You can expand it like this, and academic year 2025. And so the let's get the one of these course. When you say that I information, expand it, you can see who is the course coordinator of this course, right? So you can see the course coordinators of each course when you browse, when you list the courses under the undergraduate courses, right? So if you want to go back to the home page, you click home, and here the home page, by clicking the Department of Studies also, you will get the same listing of the department that you can browse the courses. And so this is the information about the Faculty of Engineering e-learning system. And every student and every staff member should access the e-learning system, and it's a virtual platform for your classrooms, and so that everything that available there. And so that please explore, go to the site, and log into the site and explore all the features available there. And with the information,